Hello chaps and chapesses. If you join me today, you're probably looking at buying a Givi top box, specifically the Trekker Outback, which we're going to do a quick and short review on, just to give you guys a little bit of an overview of what it's like. Is it worth the cash? Because it is a lot of cash, let's be honest. If that interests you, stick around. We'll get it over and done with in a few minutes, so you can be on your merry way to eBay or Givi and to buy one, or not, depending what we say. Right guys, if you join me today, you're probably interested in the Givi top box. This is the 46 litre variant. Nice looking thing. Does cost quite a bit of cash, if I'm honest. I think I found this on eBay for about £250. I think I saw prices about 300 quid though, £350 on like official websites and other various websites, which, you know, is quite a lot of money for a top box considering the options that you have out there. It looks very much like the BMW one. I don't know if BMW use Givi for their top boxes, but it is very nice, to be honest. You can buy it in black, or you can buy it in like an aluminium, like bare sort of style, which is very nice, to be honest. I went with stealthy black. Sorry about my breathing, I'm so knackered. So yeah, it has a few little options on it, which are quite handy. So it has obviously straps here for if you want to strap a bag on, and both ways, which are really handy. It does lock here. You have a couple of keys it comes with. You unlock that there, you click that there, undo, lift up, and you can see inside there's quite a bit of room, enough for a single helmet. Comes with the stops, also comes with a booklet, some stickers and various other stuff, and plenty of warning labels. And to take it off the bike, you just literally have to keep it unlocked. You hold this tab here, click it off, and it comes off like that. And then click it back down, it's nice and secure, lock, and it has a little dust cover, which is quite a nice little touch. You will need to buy the mounts separately from the box, I think. They don't come as like a kit, I don't think. These are bike specific, obviously. And then obviously you got this part, which I'll show you, which is the monarchy part, which you will need. So that comes off so, and then you've got this big ugly thing here. I'm not a big fan of top boxes, if I'm honest. I just have this because I went to France doing a bit of a tour. Yeah, so it fits any monarchy lock. Monarchy is Givi's own special lock, so loads of various boxes fit, but the plates look very different. But don't get confused, if it says monarchy, it will fit. But yeah, overall not bad. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. Box is there, easy to carry around if you're going on a tour. Fits a fair amount, but not a massive amount, I would say. There are a couple of other variants you can get, such as I think there's a 64 litre, I'm not entirely sure, it's 56 or 64. There's a bigger one, put it that way, and there's also a smaller one. So if you're just on the daily commute, you know, you can buy the small one, which is pretty handy. And then to fit it, you literally line up the things like so, and back on, like that, wash, lock. It is a nice little carry case, I'll be honest. Yeah, make sure it's fitted. One thing on my bike I don't really like is it's quite difficult to fit. Not to do up obviously, but it rubs on the plastic a little bit, which I didn't really like. But other than that, very good top case. I'd give it a good 8.5 out of 10. So guys, let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, pop them down below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, much appreciated. I'm a young channel, I don't really have many videos, so muchly appreciate that, especially if you give me a sub. Hope you take care, thanks for everything, goodbye.